Good day, everyone, and welcome to another Dirty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Let's get into these stories. And first up, monkeypox patient flees hospital. No, Jamaica real? Jamaica can't real. You know what, but seriously though, I honestly think it was just because he had to do this TikTok video.
I'm gonna must run out. No.
Meanwhile, Popcorn sues the Jamaica Constabulary Force for making false accusations about Kokayani. Oh wow! So Popcorn, you could have just give the JCF a little blind?
No.
And keeping it poppin', dancehall artist Popcorn releases single featuring Burna Boy titled Tony and Sing. No man, I have to give it up for Tony and Sing. Because one thing with her, she know how to secure a title. If another Miss World title, it going to be a song title. Round of applause for Tony.
Call me by my name.
Tony and Sing.
And from a Miss World that can sing to a woman that was Miss Sin. A St. Andrew woman faked her own kidnapping in order to get $1 million from her family. And my question is like, was her family rich? Because if my family, all them are going to do is just send up my name for prayer during altar call. And speaking of creative ways to make money, a university graduate became a porn star.
I went to UE, I did sales and marketing and economics.
At least you are putting that degree to use. I just hope say was one him getting a com studies. In other news, international artist Shaggy got cross, angry, and miserable on the international stage.
You touch my blood, you're being a problem.
And just like that, that's the end of Shaggy and Friends. In other news, Queenie and Dewey caught arguing. Now man, at this point, that is just their foreplay. Meanwhile, an insane shootout takes place in Nannyville. Truer words have never been spoken. Now, speaking of accuracy, a new study concluded that girls outperformed boys in the recent PEP exams. And the sky is blue. Moving things right along, a woman born with no hands drives car.
How I drive with my feet.
I'm gonna show y'all today how I drive with my feet. So let's go on this little trip with me. Let's turn on this air because it's hot in here. Alright, let's go. Oh, yeah. I didn't put on my seatbelt.
All right, stop. Put on your seatbelt.
Okay. I'm gonna get out this good big boy. Because they're going to be like, what is she doing? This way, I know I don't drop no seatbelt.
That is amazing, but you see this young lady, since you are so bad, try the Jamaican challenge here. I want to see you need some dumpling. And moving things right along, dancehall artist Shenseea stuns the crowd in this dazzling fit at the Wire Festival. Oh damn! Oh wow, Shenseea, I guess you never did a lie in a pan me.
Man, no, you way too fat. It have too much weight. That draw too much attention anytime I go around.
Whew. And from one kitty to the next, why are cats this selfish? You see, that just make me know say I one of them foreign cat there, because a Jamaican cat would have never ramp with it life like that. And now to our final story. Here's how beautifully contradictory our Jamaican people are.
We are no dog, you know. I pay human beings live here and good people that are grandstand. People might think it's a grandstand and no way. But we live good. If you see with the you kill one that will live good. Yeah, man.
Wait, what?
If you see with the you kill one that will live good.
Well, that is it, people. We've come to the end of another Dirty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Do take care until next time.